Cleansing Shampoo Hair Treatment. Dove Amplified Textures Hydrating Cleanse Shampoo is designed to add moisture to hair with coils, curls and waves. Curl Shampoo for Dry Hair. Infused with aloe, this shampoo for women removes product buildup to restore shine and moisture, leaving you with clean, healthy-looking hair. Hydrating Curly Hair Products. This sulfate-free shampoo for women adds hydration to curly and wavy hair for amazing body and bounce. Sulfate-free shampoo for all hair types. This moisturizing shampoo is sulfate-free, paraben-free and dye-free and is safe on colored hair. Coconut Oil Shampoo Formula This shampoo combines coconut oil for hair with other precious ingredients to deliver moisture and help nourish and repair curly or textured hair. Moisture Amplifying Blend. Dove Amplified Textures Shampoo and Conditioner cleanses, nourishes from within, and moisturizes textured hair. The Dove difference. From the beginning, Dove has drawn inspiration from real, diverse women and celebrates real beauty, which it defines as feeling and looking your best. The Amplified Textures range. Embrace your natural and unique texture, and give your hair an extra dose of care with every wash. Dove Care goes beyond your hair. This conditioner is certified cruelty-free by PETA and the bottles are recyclable. Top reviews from the United States. This is my favorite shampoo. I bought a 10 ounces bottle of this shampoo at Walmart for $9. I was trying it out, so I figured it would be worth a shot. I like it a lot, and it all lasted me about 1.5 to 2 months. I tried a couple shampoos, from competitors, after it, and found that my hair would get oilier with the others, and didn't feel as good after I washed it. Using this shampoo I can go about 4 to 5 days without showering and not even notice any difference with my hair, other than my scalp getting a little oily. I use less water, I guess. I don't use washout conditioner, I use the spray on and leave in kind. I am not high maintenance, so frankly I can use a bar of Dove soap in my hair and be happy with the results. Dove is pretty great at creating a fantastic product. This is a great deal though. I bought 2 32 ounces bottles.